Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar today. I can see that we have some people logging in from London, South Africa, the US and even Canada. We're going to get started in just a few moments, so stay tuned. Okay, let's begin. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Charles Keys and I'm the Managing Director of the Eazi-Business network. I've worked for the organisation for around 6.5 years and I'm really excited to be hosting the webinar today. It's actually been a couple of years since we've run an Eazi-Apps webinar, and in that time a lot has changed. We've launched a brand new cutting-edge app development platform that you're going to see today. We've significantly updated our training program, and of course we've supported countless entrepreneurs and small businesses, many of whom this year have become increasingly reliant on new technology. Before we get started, I wanted to briefly open up a slide containing some awards that we've won in the last 18 months. These industry-leading achievements recognise our tireless quest to help entrepreneurs achieve their potential and launch successful technology businesses. These accolades are also a credit to the people that work for Eazi-Business at head office. We've built an incredibly talented team of developers, designers, business development specialists over the years, and we just wouldn't be here without all of their hard work. If this opportunity ticks the right boxes, not only can you represent our award-winning brand, you can also access our team whenever you need them. In this webinar today, you will discover how to start your own mobile app business without coding skills. In fact, you can launch an incredible technology business without any technical experience. You're also going to discover how to generate a significant and repeat income working from home. Essentially, you can operate this business from anywhere. The only two things you need are a laptop and a smartphone. You're also going to learn how to accelerate your income with powerful mobile app technology. This is actually the first time we've given a public demonstration of our new platform, so please stay tuned. So how did we get here and what is our story? In 2012, our CEO and founder Zakir Daud launched a mobile app business here in Leicester. This business stood out from the crowd as it specialised in building mobile apps for local businesses. 8 years ago, these types of solutions were really reserved for larger blue chip companies. Today, of course, we live in a very different world where we're all dependent on mobile technology. We then created a business-in-a-box solution based on that successful business model, and have since helped launch 300 businesses with entrepreneurs worldwide. The result of our rapid expansion is that we've become an industry leader and won a number of awards. Our mission is simple. We want to help entrepreneurs launch successful technology businesses, for our partners to help small to medium-sized enterprises or businesses accelerate their revenue through our solutions, and we want to continue to innovate by leveraging the latest cutting-edge technology. Hopefully by the end of this webinar, you'll see that we're well on our way to achieving these objectives. We operate in a huge growth market. There are a staggering 3.5 billion smartphone users globally, and this number will only keep increasing as technology becomes more affordable. Only 15% of businesses have a mobile strategy, and many local businesses specifically are in danger of being left behind. An incredible 25% of businesses will invest in digital solutions this year. That's around a quarter of all businesses. The market is simply huge for these types of solutions. And I've also personally seen a huge number of local businesses like restaurants, takeaways, and salons that have been forced to undergo digital transformations just to keep trading. The majority of entrepreneurs, however, even when entering a huge growth market, face challenges when starting a new business. And I wanted to highlight some of these challenges today. Firstly, lack of time. It takes a tremendous amount of time to build the resources needed to operate a technology business. The technology is only one part of the puzzle. You also need branding, marketing materials, legal contracts, and infrastructure. All of these things are important and they require a commitment of time to build, and without them, you simply can't go to market. Lack of experience. Without adequate training and access to industry specialists, the chances of making costly mistakes are high. And finally, lack of funds. It's incredibly easy for an initial launch budget to spiral out of control and vanish before you have the opportunity to generate any revenue at all. It's no surprise that over half of new businesses fail within the first year. So what is our solution to leveraging this huge growth market and avoiding the problems that I have just mentioned? Well, firstly, we can supply you with a complete business-in-a-box solution for an affordable fixed fee. Everything you need to launch your own mobile app business will be built for you by our team of professionals, and we'll be on hand if you need any help. You also don't need any technical or marketing experience to get started. Our solutions have been built from the ground up to help local businesses increase revenue and reduce costs. By delivering mobile apps that have a major impact on your customers' businesses, you can build your business quickly. This is also the type of business that you can operate from anywhere, anytime. In fact, we work with people that operate their Eazi-Apps businesses full-time and have built up a team. We also work with entrepreneurs who are looking to increase their income on a part-time basis. You can also earn significant upfront fees and repeat income that pays you each and every month. And there are limited overheads. In fact, everything is digital and you don't have to hold on to any stock at all. I'm now going to pass you over to our commercial director, Sid Bland, who's going to give you a more in-depth overview of our business-in-a-box solution. Over to you, Sid.
Thanks, Charles, and thanks to everyone for joining to watch this webinar. My name's Sid and I'm Commercial Director here at Eazi-Business, and I want to now go through everything that we provide you with as part of the Eazi-Apps business opportunity. So building on from what Charles was saying about the demand for apps in the marketplace, I'm going to take you through our complete business-in-a-box solution. So our business-in-a-box contains all of the tools to help you build a profitable and scalable business. And this includes our cutting-edge technology platform where you will build your mobile apps for your clients. It also includes industry-leading training, one-to-one partner mentoring, our online academy, expert technical support, and a library of professionally designed marketing materials. And we're going to go through these one by one during this webinar. So first of all, if you were to become an Eazi-Apps partner, your journey would begin with our comprehensive training program. Now these sessions are held live and online. They're fully interactive. The training covers the technology itself and also sales and marketing. So you will learn how to use the platform and there's no previous experience required. You'll also learn how to sell these solutions to businesses. You'll go through our recommended routes to market and how to use our marketing resources effectively so you can make more sales. The sessions are tailored to the learning styles of the partners who join our network, and you can select dates that work best for you. We generally run 4 sessions per month, so there'll be lots of available dates to choose from. So the initial live training is a great opportunity for you to learn how to build your first app under the guidance of the training team, and also to learn sales techniques from a proven model. Now, once you've completed your live training, you'll be enrolled on our one-to-one partner mentoring program. And these sessions are run by an experienced Eazi-Apps partner. So it'll be a partner of ours who has been with us for at least 2 years. So somebody really experienced to guide you for your first 6 weeks in business. These sessions are held over the phone or via Zoom, and you can book these calls at your convenience. You'll have 2 sessions per week with your mentor for the first 6 weeks. So that's 12 sessions in total. And you can decide the subject of those calls. So if you feel that you need help with the technology or with sales or any other aspect of running the business, you get to decide. Also, you don't have to wait until you've completed the 6 weeks of mentoring before you start trading in business. You can bring on your first few clients whilst you're doing your mentoring and get personalized help from your mentor. The mentoring is a great opportunity to benefit from tailored guidance, and also to replicate a model that worked well for that particular partner when they were in your shoes. Now, the training and guidance doesn't stop there. We also give you unlimited access to our online academy. Now, the online academy is an online educational resource, and it contains over £15,000 worth of video courses. So this is a huge resource that we've built over a number of years and we continue to build. It gives you the opportunity to learn every single aspect of your business. So we have courses covering everything that you need to know to run your Eazi-Apps business. This includes courses on our technology platform, sales and marketing and brand communication, and you can use these courses to train your business partners and future staff. You can also use the Academy to read about news and updates, new features and developments within the company, so it's a great central hub. So I'm just going to open up the Academy on my screen here and show you some of the sections. Under the Courses tab, as I mentioned before, we've got courses covering every single aspect of running your business, from the technology to graphic design, and of course, sales and marketing as well. So you can learn about the recommended routes to market, and lots of selling techniques that will help you to sell these technology solutions to businesses. Just looking down some of these courses here, you'll see that there's some really useful topics. And again, you can take these courses to supplement your initial training that you do with us, and you can also use these courses to retrain your staff. There are various other sections within the Academy as well. So we have a resources section where you can find all of your useful resources. We've got a marketplace where we recommend third-party solutions which will help you to run your business. And we also use the Academy to announce events and updates on an ongoing basis as well. If you'd like more information on the courses that we offer in our Academy and a bit more detail, then please get in contact with us and we'll be happy to go through that with you. Now, I hope that all makes sense so far. I want to move on to talking about some of the ways in which we support you as one of our partners. Now, as we said earlier, you're not required to have any previous technical experience to run an Eazi-Apps business, and we have experts on hand to provide technical support on an unlimited basis. You can contact our technical support team via phone, email, and also live chat. So whenever you need help with something, you've got experts on hand who know our platform inside and out to help you. You can also access our developers. So when you need some help with an app build or a particular feature, you'll have access to our developers to give you tailored guidance. Our technical support team are experts, they're based at our head office, and they'll be a great source of guidance to you on an ongoing basis. They'll also help you get set up. So when you first join, they'll help you set up your technology platforms. If you need help setting up a CRM, subscription billing, and even your branded social media pages. These guys can help too. In addition to technical support, we also provide you with ongoing sales and business support with our Success Coach program. We provide you with a dedicated success coach who will monitor your progress in business, help you set goals, and help you to achieve those goals as well. Your success coach will hold a monthly session with you so that you can check in, get some feedback, and also go through a presentation and an upskilling session during those meetings. Our support structure means that you're not on your own. You've got a back office sitting behind you ready to help you whenever you need it. Now I want to move on to talking about the business elements of this opportunity. One of the huge benefits of joining the Eazi-Apps network and becoming one of our partners is the time and money that you'll save having everything ready built for you. So we provide you with a fully branded business. Now this includes unlimited access to our members' resources library. This is a huge resource and it contains lots of documents that you will need to run the infrastructure of your business. So we have template documents for letters and introduction emails, for example. It also includes proposals, contracts, and terms of service. So the really important documents have been created for you. This is going to save you a lot of time. In addition to this, we also provide you with professional marketing tools. These will really help you make more sales and position yourself as an expert in the market. Now to get you started, we will ship out to your address a box of printed marketing materials, and this includes 1,000 brochures and 500 personalized business cards. In the Members Resources Library, you'll also be able to access lots more professionally designed marketing materials, and this includes industry-specific brochures. So we've built brochures that target particular types of businesses, and we've covered about 35 industry types so far, and this includes some of the really popular ones. These brochures really focus in on the particular features that you can offer to these types of businesses to help you make more sales. So I just want to show you a couple of these brochures, guys. This is the Eazi-Apps brochure, and remember, we'll send you a box of 1,000 of these brochures shipped out to your address so you can start giving them out to local businesses. This brochure really focuses in on all of the features and benefits that you can offer to your clients. As you can see, it's really nicely designed and it's a great place to start the sales process. I'm also just going to jump over to one of the industry-specific brochures that I mentioned. This particular one is for golf clubs, and as you can see, it's again really nicely designed, and it just focuses in on some of the particular features and benefits that you can offer to that particular type of business. So it's a really good way of focusing in on a particular vertical. We also provide you with branded case studies, presentations, infographics, and tons of promotional videos. And this includes short explainer videos and longer real-life customer testimonials. All of these tools can be used to upload to your social media and send out in email marketing campaigns as well. And last but not least, at the center of your marketing will be your own promotional website. So we provide you with your own Eazi-Apps website, which your prospective clients can visit to learn about what you offer. This website showcases some really good app examples for your prospective clients to have a look at. They can watch an explainer video. They can learn more about the features that you can offer in the app that you build for them, read real-life case studies, and they can contact you directly through this website. So your own branded Eazi-Apps website is the center of your marketing, and you can drive all of your traffic from your social media right back here. I hope that all makes sense so far, guys. Of course, if you've got any questions, please reach out and ask us. Now, the next element of our Business in a Box opportunity that I want to go through is our world-class technology platform. This is where you will build mobile apps for businesses that will transform their mobile strategy. The technology allows you to build apps for iOS, Android, and in web app format as well. There are no coding skills required. All of the features have been professionally developed for you. It's essentially a drag and drop platform. Once you've gone through our training, you will be proficient at building apps yourself. The platform contains multiple revenue generating features. So these are features which will help your clients get a return on investment. They will help them to engage with their customers more effectively and essentially make more sales. Also, we take care of the publishing and the hosting for you. So we've got an in-house publishing team that will take care of the entire process. Now, in order to go through this in a bit more detail, I'm actually going to pass you over to our CEO, Zach Dowd, who's with us today. And he's going to take you through why apps are so important for businesses, which industries you can target, and also provide you with a demonstration of the technology platform itself. So I'm just going to pass over to you now, Zach.
Thank you for that, Sid, and hello everyone. My name is Zach Dowd and I am the CEO of Eazi-Business. It's really great to see so many people here today and I hope you're enjoying the session so far. Now, before I delve into our mobile app platform, the question that comes up frequently is, what are the benefits of a mobile app over mobile websites? Firstly, mobile apps are faster and they offer a better user experience. Users love highly tailored content according to their preferences. It's like offering them a tailored communication in the language they speak and understand. And mobile apps can also use native device features such as GPS, camera, microphone, and other native features. Also, businesses can send out push notifications on mobile apps to promote deals, events, offers, or even to drive in that extra walk-in traffic. And apps can increase repeat custom with features such as our advanced loyalty programs. And mobile apps have been proven to increase customer retention and brand experience. Research shows that users spend more time on mobile apps. So how can you help businesses as an Eazi-Apps partner? Well, a mobile app can help almost any kind of business out there, especially if they get a lot of traffic. And this includes restaurants, health spas, solicitors, sports clubs, and many more industry verticals. Our partners have built apps for almost every type of business out there, so really the opportunity for you is limitless. Now, I completely appreciate that the current health crisis is posing challenges for businesses. As Charles mentioned earlier, we have seen a significant spike in app builds as businesses are pushing forward with their digital transformation during these challenging times. Beyond that, there are many verticals that are almost immune to the current business climate. And you can see some of these industry verticals on my screen. We go into a lot more depth during our live training sessions on why these industries are thriving, and more importantly, how you can generate leads and fill your pipeline with great prospects. Just before I show you our app building platform, I'm going to quickly cover the different types of mobile apps. There are really three types of apps you can build and deliver through Eazi-Apps. The first type is a native app that is published to the app stores. Users can download this type of app from the Apple App Store and from Google Play. The second type is also a native app and functions in exactly the same way. However, they can only be accessed via a private link. These are often referred to as enterprise apps. They're a great way for businesses or organizations that want an internal app that is not available to the general public. And the third type is a progressive web app, typically referred to as a PWA. These apps are accessible by a link and completely bypass the app stores. Now, I appreciate that a lot of this may be new to you, but I want you to know that we are at the very cutting edge of mobile development, and we have solutions that can help any type of business or organization out there, from sports clubs to schools and even local government organizations. Okay, so moving on to the mobile app platform. You can see on my screen that I've logged into our platform for one of our apps. It happens to be an internal app we have built to train our partners with. This is where you would log in to build an app for your customer. Now, typically, to build a custom mobile app from scratch could take months of planning and development. And the cost can be huge and can easily range from £20,000 to £50,000. And that's why the majority of small to medium-sized businesses don't have an app. Using our technology, you can easily build an app from start to finish within a day. And that includes everything from building out e-commerce stores, loyalty programs, booking systems, and all the graphics. This is a revolution in mobile development. Now, our platform is extremely easy to use. There's zero coding involved, and you just have to fill in the blanks. And we provide you with training on every element of the platform, and our support team are on hand to help you at any stage of the build. On the left-hand side, you can see the menu. This is where you can navigate to the different parts of the app build. But before I go into a few sections, you will see a live app previewer on the right-hand side that shows you what your app looks like as you go through the build process. Now, we understand that every business is unique, and that is why you have almost unlimited customization options. You can choose from a wide range of templates and layouts. And of course, you can change the images to make the app fully branded to the business. The possibilities here are really limitless. You can also choose from a huge selection of advanced layouts. There are standard layouts here and some really advanced layouts. And to apply a layout, you simply click on the one you like and start customizing. With our templates and layouts, you can really impress your customers. If I go to the color section in the left column, you can color code almost every element of the app using our color feature. You can stick to broad styling that is applied throughout the app, or you can get granular and control the colors of every element. If I move over to the analytics in the left column and go to App Analytics, you and your customer can also access a detailed analytics section. You can see the total visits over time, the number of installs, the time that's spent on an app, visits by feature, and much more. This kind of insight is really vital and gives you the information you need to help your customer increase revenue. So going back to the previewer, in this particular app, we have added a lot of features, and we actually use this app to train our partners. Let me show you some of these features. You will see that we have categories for all of our features, and we bundled these into groups. If you go into the business features, we can see a whole host of functionality, including calendar, appointments, bookings, and a lot more. So let's have a look at appointments. This is an incredibly powerful feature for any business that wants to take appointments via their mobile app. Users can simply click on Book Appointment. They can choose a location. Now, this is particularly good for businesses that have more than one location. So in this case, I'm going to choose in person at the Eazi office. The services can then also be categorized. So if I choose App Building Platform, choose Building an App, and you can also have multiple providers. So this is particularly useful for businesses that have more than one person delivering that service within that business. So in this case, I'm going to choose Richard Dowman. We can then select a time and a date. And then the user would log in and complete that booking. Now, what happens at this stage is that once the booking is completed, the business owner gets an email notification. The user also gets an email confirmation. And then there are settings within the dashboard that can enable the triggering of an automatic push notification to the customer, say an hour or a few days before the booking is actually due, to encourage show-ups. So let me quickly show you how this feature is customized within the dashboard. So on the left, I'm clicking on Features. If I go into the business folder, I will then select appointments. And this is where we can see the menu. And like I said, there's nothing complicated here. It's really simple to manage. So the first thing is that you can add in the locations. So that's really easy to do. You just fill out the blanks, put in the start time and the end time. You can add the services. And with these services, as I showed earlier, you can add categories and then the services below. You can set the providers. You can set the timings. I think you get the picture. Once you've done this a couple of times, it's really super easy and you could set this up very, very quickly. So let me go back into the app itself. I'm going to go into another group. Let's have a look at monetization features. So a popular feature that a lot of businesses want now, especially due to the current climate, is mobile commerce. So this is where their users can make purchases directly through the mobile app. In this case, you can see we set up a demonstration shop. I can select categories here. I can choose the product that I want to purchase. I can then add that product to the basket and complete my purchase. And again, what happens is both parties get automatic email confirmations. So let me go into that feature on the dashboard. So I'm going to click on features on the left column and then going to go to the monetization folder. And within here, we're going to go and edit the commerce feature. And within here, the first thing that you do is you can add in the details of that business. And you'll see that the way that the data is inputted is exactly the same on every feature. Really, all you're doing is filling in the blanks. Once that's complete, you go into the catalog. You can add categories. You can add products. You can add the pricing. You can add the tax rates. You can then see the orders that have been placed, and there's a whole bunch of settings that you can really customize here. So really powerful, really super easy to set up, and within minutes, you can have a mobile shop up and running for your customer. Let's go back into the app itself. If I go into communication features, so this is really interesting. We've just rolled out some new functionality here. The first thing is an inbox, and the way that this works actually is really powerful. The business owner can send private messages to users who have registered on the app, and users can reply to these messages that will trigger an email back to the business owner. So in effect, the user has got their own private email inbox within the app. A really great way to engage your customers and stay in touch with them. If I go back, we've got push notifications here. So like I mentioned earlier, businesses can send out push notifications to promote events, to promote offers, to drive in that walk-in traffic. Let me just show you how that works. So I'm going to select features in the left column. I'm going to go to communications. I'm going to go to push notifications. And for the business owner to send out a push notification, they simply click plus. They add in their title, they add in their message. They can even choose to have a particular feature opened up once that message is clicked on. They then go through and they can select which device they want to send it through to, and they can send it out immediately or schedule it at some point in the future. Really powerful. And I should add, by the way, that push notifications are free and unlimited for the business to send out. So just a really nice, powerful way for the business to keep in touch with their customers. Let's go into maybe one more feature before I pass you over to Charles. I'll go into social features here. So actually something that we've just released 2 or 3 weeks ago is our social wall. This is where business owners can encourage their customers to interact with other users and also directly with the business. So people can post messages here by clicking on the post icon. They can view these messages. They can upload images. Other people can like these messages. They can comment on them. And again, this can be moderated by the business owner from the dashboard itself. So a really high in-demand feature that businesses and users love. So if I go into features, go into social features, go into social wall. And you can see here how the posts are displayed here. They can be pinned to the top. They can be published or unpublished. They can be edited. They can be deleted. You've got the design side here where you can customize the way that looks within the app itself. And there are settings here where you can allow different features within that functionality. So this is just really a quick introduction to the dashboard. I'm sure you can all see that there's nothing complicated about this. And we've got a whole host of features. And if you do want a deeper dive, by all means, contact one of our business executives, and they will be happy to take you through a one-to-one screen share and take a bit of a deeper dive into this. But I hope you found this useful, and I'm now going to pass you back over to Charles. Thank you.
Thanks for that, Zach. When you go to market, you would charge your customers a build fee of $19.95, and you would keep 100% of this revenue. Your customers would also pay you a repeat monthly fee to host and manage their app of £79 per month. This would enable you to generate almost £3,000 or $3,800 in year one, and that's just from publishing one app. These are also recommended sale prices. If you want to discount your first couple of apps in exchange for referrals, you can. Or if you want to charge a larger organization significantly more, you can do that as well. We have detailed financial forecasts available on our information pack page, and a member of our business development team can also answer any questions you have regarding our financial model. I'm sure that many of you are curious as to what your annual income would look like if you started this type of business. Whilst I can't predict your success, I have recorded an extensive video interview with an Eazi-Apps partner that generated £164,000 in revenue in his first year alone. You can watch the full video on YouTube, but I thought I would play a short clip today. My guest today is our partner from London. Priyesh, welcome to the webinar.
Hi there, Charles. Thanks very much for having me on.
Perfect. Just for the benefit of anyone who hasn't had the pleasure of meeting you yet, perhaps you could tell us just a little bit about yourself and why you decided to join Eazi-Apps.
Sure. So I joined Eazi-Apps around 2 years ago now, prior to that, I'd been working within the digital marketing space. So we've been working with web, SEO, and so on and so forth. And this very much looked like a really good opportunity with the technology available, the tools that are available. But I'd also known Zach for a good 13 years as well. So when he approached me with this proposition, looking at both the technology available, but also the trust that I have in Zach to be able to deliver from a support perspective, it seemed like a very, very good opportunity.
Awesome. I mean, I've got an extensive list of questions I'm hoping to cover today. But perhaps you could start off just by giving us a bit of an overview of your business and how it's performed over the last 12 months or so.
It's gone very, very well. I would say we've had around over the last 12 months, we've had around a 25% increase in projects that have been coming in, and which has resulted in around a 61% increase in turnover. Over the last 12 months itself, we've had 47 projects that have come on board in the last 12 months. And as with the headline of the emails, that's resulted in around £164,000 worth of income coming in. But from a growth perspective, we've been hitting our targets consistently and been very, very happy with the growth that we've achieved, really.
That's just a short clip from this extensive interview, and you can watch the full video on YouTube. In order to ensure that we at Eazi-Business are on track, we held an anonymous survey with our partner network. We asked a range of questions to identify our strengths and weaknesses and received some incredible feedback. In every single category, we achieved 8 or 9 out of 10, including our commitment to deliver on our promises, value for money, the flexibility of our services, approach to innovation, and the quality of our marketing materials. If you are seriously considering launching a business with us, we can give you access to this full survey and even set up a call with one of our partners to ask any questions. I'm sure that many of you are keen to find out more, and if you are, I would recommend the following. So firstly, please review our latest information pack, which can be found on our website. It contains financial forecasts, comprehensive brochures, and additional webinars that you can watch. You can also speak to a member of our business development team who can answer any and all of your questions, and we can schedule in an online meeting to go through the opportunity in far greater depth. I would like to thank you for watching the webinar today. I really look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.